Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is week 4 of the 7 weeks of Christmas, and I'm featuring the Humble Home bundle from Stampin' Up. You'll find it on page 46 of the mini catalogue, and it's a stamp set and punch bundle. So this is the stamp set, and this is the very cute punch. We're going to make this card. For this video, I've actually changed out the paper. This paper is from the Reindeer's Day bundle, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So I'm using the bells from this one. So this particular image, I stamped it using my Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink. And then I covered it with white embossing powder, then I heat embossed it. And what you get is that really cute sort of white gingerbread house against the crumb cake cardstock, which, I mean, plenty of other demonstrators have also done it, and I'm just jumping on that same bandwagon, but I just think it looks so cute. So I've gone ahead and got it here. Let's punch it out. It's just really cute and really easy to do as well. Let me just make sure I've got that straight. Yep. There we go. And there's the little house. That white embossing powder against the crumb cake really gives it that gingerbready quality, I think, anyway. Stamped onto pecan pie or copper clay also would look really good, but because I'm going with a crumb cake base for the card, I'm keeping with the crumb cake. So I've just got half a piece of cardstock here folded in half and scored, and let's go ahead and put these two pieces together first. Just a little bit of Tombow on there. I do need to get some more Tombow. This is such pretty paper. I think the plaid looks amazing. I love any paper that is plaid like this, but I thought, why not give it another look so you can see a different way to use the paper. This is the actual inside. We might go ahead and put that one together too. I always like to put a white, when I'm using crumb cake, I always like to have white insert, and sticking with the real red for my backing. And let's just get that nice and straight. Oh, oops. If you don't get that on straight first pop, you know how it just doesn't always work. Right, there we go. Now at this point you could stamp something for your inside of your card if you wanted to. I'm going to leave mine blank. I've gone ahead already and cut out 2 stylish shape dies using basic white. That's for the front of the card, for a little anchor point for our house. So let's grab some dimensionals and pop this up. I'm just going to go sort of slightly to the left, centered over here. And then our little house will sit right there. More dimensionals. Can never have too many dimensionals. That's what I think anyway. I've put links in the description bar. That one does not want to come off. Links in the description bar below for all the products that I've used today. And if you live in New Zealand and you don't currently have a demonstrator, when you click on those links you'll be taken directly to my Stampin' Up store. So yeah, if you live in New Zealand and you don't have a demonstrator, I'd be thrilled if you went ahead and shopped with me. Right, let's go ahead. Oh, nothing wants to come up today. We're going to stamp this one with Real Red using the Merry Christmas. Yep, I got that straight. And just in the center. Oh, I think I might need to re-ink my stamp pad. It's okay for today. It's okay, we can live with it. So what I'm going to do now is use the Real Red and White Baker's Twine. This is in the Reindeer Day suite. It's going to make a bow. Possibly doesn't pop quite so well against this one, does it? Because I've got a lot of red on. I've got the red and green going there. But we'll still go with it to keep the colours all going, I think. So I'm just going to put down a little bit of adhesive to hold that in. You won't see this, it's just to hold down the ribbon, the baker's twine I should say. And then this sentiment is just going to go right across the top there like that. So I'm going to put the dimensional on one side and some adhesive on the other, and then just pop it down there like that so it goes across the middle of the bow. Yeah, that bow doesn't stand out quite as well against the red, does it? But I'm still going to go with it. I'm still going with it. All right, let's adhere. Let's trim these off for a start. Okay, let's put this together. Let's do the inside piece first. Okay, I've got to get out my new Tombow. Just need it to last. There we go. Just that little bit more. All right, pop that down. Yep. And then let's put this one on with dimensionals. One more for good luck. Which one do you like better, the plaid or the Christmas baubles? I think I prefer the plaid, but you know, gives you options. I do like basic white against crumb cake with the combination of the Real Red. It's not quite straight. Get that straight in here. Okay, and it's still a bit long, isn't it? I might have got that bow down a little bit too low from my original couple of cards. Right, now my favourite little piece. These are from the Reindeer Suite bundle. These are the Real Red and White adhesive backed peppermints. I mean, hello. They are so cute. How could I resist them? I could not resist them. They are so cute. Put one there, one right there, and then another one right there. I feel like I need one more. Even though there's a lot of red on this card. Let's put it, should we put it there? We'll cover up a little heart, but we'll put it on the door, eh? There we go, it's the littlest one. How cute is that? I really like this card. So there's that one, and then there's this option as well. So, I mean, you know, I guess it just depends what you prefer in the background. I like them both. And yeah, I really like them both. So anyway, that's the card made. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. That's STAMPINGMERRY. And I've put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye now.